Kickstarting your tech journey.
Choosing the right programming language can make all the difference for tech beginners. Some languages are easier to learn, more versatile, and in higher demand. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 essential programming languages that open doors to exciting opportunities in tech. Whether you want to become a developer, data scientist, or work in software engineering, these are the languages to consider first.
Python, simple yet powerful.
Python stands out as a top choice for beginners. Its clean, readable syntax makes it easy to start coding quickly, and it's widely used in web development, data science, automation, and artificial intelligence. Python is the language behind many popular apps and tools, making it both practical and versatile, with a massive supportive community and a wealth of learning resources.
JavaScript, bringing the web to life.
JavaScript is essential for anyone interested in web development. It's the backbone of interactive websites, powering everything from simple animations to complex web applications. Knowing JavaScript opens up front-end, back-end, and even mobile development opportunities. Its versatility and widespread use make it a must-learn language for launching a tech career.
Java, the enterprise staple.
Java is a foundational programming language in the tech industry. It's used in enterprise systems, Android app development, and large-scale back-end servers. Java's write once, run anywhere philosophy has made it a reliable choice for decades. For beginners, learning Java provides a strong understanding of programming principles and opens doors to numerous career paths.
SQL, mastering data skills.
SQL, or Structured Query Language, is the standard for managing databases. Nearly every tech field, from web apps to analytics, relies on storing and retrieving data. Learning SQL empowers you to create, read, update, and analyze data with ease. It's an essential skill for aspiring developers, data analysts, and anyone working with information.
Scratch, the perfect starting point.
For absolute beginners, Scratch offers a visual way to learn programming concepts. Created for education, Scratch teaches problem-solving and logical thinking through drag-and-drop coding blocks. It's ideal for those completely new to programming, providing a strong foundation before moving on to more complex languages.
Choosing your first language.
The best language to start with depends on your goals and interests. Python and JavaScript are great universal options with broad uses. Java is ideal if you're interested in Android apps or enterprise software. SQL is key for data-focused careers, while Scratch is excellent for building foundational coding skills. Start with one, stay curious, and build your skills from